This 3D animation takes viewers on a journey into the human experience, exploring the intricate and often chaotic nature of our learned behaviors. The animation features a mesmerizing sci-fi force field cage, its outer shell composed of a unique liquid metal material. As the cage rotates, this outer shell appears to shift and reform, mimicking the constant evolution of the skills and knowledge we acquire throughout our lives. The animation goes deeper than mere visuals. The interplay between the metallic shell and the organic form within the outer shell represents the tension between the outward expression of our learned behaviors and the underlying knowledge and experiences that shape them. Sometimes, the animation suggests, controlling these behaviors can be difficult, just as the metallic shell seems to defy easy manipulation. This animation isn't just about realism, it's about metaphor. It delves into the complexities of mental health and the ongoing struggle to manage our actions and reactions. The constantly shifting outer shell embodies the fluidity of learned behaviors, how they can adapt, grow, and sometimes even feel like they're slipping away from our grasp. However, the animation also offers a message of hope. The pulsing organic form within the cage represents the core knowledge and skills that remain even when the surface appears chaotic. This core serves as a reminder of our resilience and our ability to learn and grow throughout life. This animation was created using Blender 3D software. The unique liquid metal effect was achieved through a combination of modeling techniques and careful manipulation of material properties. The animation itself uses subtle movements and lighting changes to emphasize the metaphorical message.